Hi everybody, it's 12:30 and 14 seconds on May 31st. This is the drawing for the Fantastic Four number 36, First Medusa, and number 67, First him, Adam Warlock. Kind of hoping I would be able to get that Our Army at War number 91 off, but just didn't seem like we had enough interest. Beautiful book, very important book. But it is what it is. So this one filled up very quickly. So let's do our 3 dice. Number is lucky 7, and away we go. Name at the top of the list will get both books, and at this point they are most likely going to ship tomorrow, June 1st. So good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the final one. 7, spot 9, Eric Linderman. Congratulations. Time is 12:31 and 17 seconds.